For my final project for Flatiron's coding bootcamp, I created an app using React Redux and a Rails backend to create a daily code log. So I found throughout learning how to code, especially throughout the bootcamp, we move so quickly that it's easy to forget how much you've learned because I felt like I'm in a constant state of not knowing in a good way. And so my app displays all of these code logs. So you can see the code log has a title, the date, and you can write down the goals you accomplished for the day, what you learned, what you don't understand, your goals for tomorrow, and how you're feeling that day about your coding. So there are 3 options: a smiley face, a neutral face, and then a frown face. You can then view the log, and we come to a show page for the log. And these features, delete and edit, are going to be, these are for future builds of the project, but for now, it just displays the information. You can't edit or delete it. So going back to the all code logs, the one feature of the project that I thought was most important and what really inspired me to build this out was the what I don't understand element. Because like I said, I felt like there were just a lot of unknown pieces throughout my learnings, and it's cool to look back on what you didn't know one day and coming to understand the topic. So yeah, for example, here I said what I don't understand. I'm still wrapping my head around Redux Thunk, the relationship between actions, reducers, and dispatch. I'd like to think that even though this was just a few days ago, today's date is May 12th, I do have more of a solidified understanding of Redux Thunk than I did a few days ago, and I think that's pretty cool. And then, so to create a new code log, we click on this link on the header, and I'll walk through the code log that I'd like to fill out for today. So I'm going to name this title May 12th code log. And the idea about the title is, I know for beginners, a popular trend is to do 100 days of code challenge. And so thought it'd be cool to progress or to mark your, be a good way to remember how many days you've been coding consecutively. In case you don't really want to tweet about your progress, this can be more of like an internal keepsake. So I'll say May 12th code log, and today's date's 12th. We'll drop down calendar selector. The goals I accomplished today. So today I wrote my blog post about learnings on first React and Redux project. What I learned today, I was actually following a tutorial about Redux form. So I would say what goes on behind the scenes with Redux form. Redux form is a library which handles maintaining the state of an application. What I don't understand is how to use Redux form to update and I don't know, update and delete. And my goal for tomorrow will be learn how to update and delete using Redux form. And I would say today was a good day of coding, so I'll keep it on the smiley face, and I'll click submit. Then if we go back to all code logs, we can see code log showed up for today. And so yeah, it's a pretty simple app, but as you can see, I've been using it the past few days, and I'm excited to continue to use it and add more features to the app as well. My end goal is to add authentication so I can share this app with friends so they can use it. And yeah, so thanks for watching.